myself Jay, and in this tutorial we're going to discuss about while loop. In my previous video I talked about for loops. If you haven't watched it yet, link in the description. So now let us open our IDLE and let us create a new file. To do so, just press Ctrl plus N. Ctrl S to save it. I'm gonna have it as while loop. Yeah. So let us understand what is while loop. So it's different from the for loop and it's harder. For loop was a bit easier than while loop. So while loops are something that iterates over and over. So and yeah, if we want to stop while loop, we can give a condition. Let me show you. If n equals 0 while n is less than 6, print n, and then n plus equals 1. Ctrl S to save it and F5. So we got the output as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now this was a while loop which had a condition. So it will iterate over and over, like when n is 0, it's less than 6, then it will go and print n, and then n plus equals 1. So what does it mean is that I can also write it as n equals n plus 1, but this is an easier way to write that. Just write n plus equals 1. Yeah, so this was a while loop with conditions. Now let me show you a while loop without any condition. This is known as a non-terminating loop because it is endless. If I write while true, note that T is capital, and then print hi, Ctrl S to save it, F5, so it will print hi. Let me just terminate it. Yeah, so this was a while loop which was non-terminating. Now let me give an exercise. So the exercise for this video is that create a list and then append it by multiplying it by 5. Wait, let me show you. Create a list and append it create a list and then multiply the first 10 numbers with 5, append the list. Yeah, so just pause the video and try it out. So the solution for this video is that let me create a list n equals while, let me create another variable, let it be w equals 0, while W is less than or equals to 10, print, or let me create a variable a equals W into 5, and then let me set W as 1 because we're gonna start multiplying by 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. So let it be 1. Now print a and then increment W by 1. And now after before incrementing, let me append the list and dot append it by a, and then after the loop gets over, print and Control S to save it and F5. So we got the output as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. A table of 5. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.